Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit T Rex 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, then select the Amazfit T Rex 2 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down and at the bottom you should see the Unpair button. Tap on it, then tap on Unpair, tap on Got it, tap on Unpair again, and wait. After a couple of seconds, the watch should disappear from the list of devices on the profile page. It should reset itself to the factory default settings. You can close the app now. Also, you can open the settings on your phone. Tap on the Wi-Fi and internet. Basically, open the Bluetooth settings. Is it here? No, it's not here. It's gonna be easier if I just open the quick panel, press and hold on Bluetooth icon. So we are in the Bluetooth settings and check if the Amazfit T Rex 2 is right here on the list of previously connected devices. If it is, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget, and then forget again to remove it. But as you can see, on my phone it's not here. And once it's removed from this list, your watch is unpaired completely from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.